not enough to help with that drought.
I know we would need about 10 to 14 inches, basically what they're getting down in the Gulf right now for all that rainfall from Arthur. Now, these are remnants of Arthur, right? We don't even need it to be a tropical storm to see impactful weather. We've got flood concerns down in the south. We also have a risk of severe weather for you today across North Carolina. Look at the reports, though. Most of the reports so far have come in along this cold front, and we're talking about 143 reports of flash flooding, not only here, but also along this boundary that is heading our way. The question is, can we bring everything together at the right time to bring beneficial rainfall? Right now, it's still looking scattered for us, but optimistic that we'll see at least some measurable rainfall from the system kind of scattered throughout the day and to early tomorrow morning. So this is what we have right now. Bulk of the moisture that's tropical right here centered over Alabama, Mississippi. We also are watching this pattern here. This is a front that's going to kind of slide in, a little backdoor front coming in with a slight risk of severe weather. And what that means, it's coming in from the north, kind of sliding south for us. And that slight risk area shows you where we had that risk because of that front. Primarily, we're also tapping into some of that southwesterly moisture. That tropical moisture will begin to lift our way. And along the coast, we'll also have that chance to see some moisture from the Atlantic. So a lot of combinations here coming together to bring that rain chance. You can see the sunshine early at Ennis and Glade Valley Road area. Now the thunderstorm clouds are beginning to build. So they're going to have the first round of rain possibilities. And the best chance of rain right now is developing for the afternoon in the mountains along the North Carolina-Virginia border. Your weather headlines, we've got the hot, humid and windy weather for you today. The gusts have started coming up, especially in the high country. Severe thunderstorm risk is with us too. As we mentioned, a slight risk, that's a level 2 for folks across the Piedmont Triad. Damaging wind threats of primary concern. And then some tropical rain could move in later tonight into early Friday morning. So Thursday afternoon and evening, this is the best timing for the severe weather to really get going. Some severe could include periods of rain that are also heavy. So we're looking at damaging wind threats above 60 miles an hour. We also have that risk to see some damaging winds that might also include an isolated tornado. We want to see how that tropical moisture interacts with us tomorrow morning. It's limited, but we are looking at that threat anytime we start to see tropical moisture lift in from the south. Now, showers and thunderstorms right now putting folks just now. You can see the flood watch coming up for West Jefferson and Sparta. They've just been added to that within the last few minutes here. You can see that from 79 degrees in Galax, 72 in Sparta and 78 in West Jefferson. So we've got the clouds rolling in, the rain rolling in for you right now. And that front is going to kind of travel slowly to the south. So most of that energy is going to be right in the southern Virginia locations first. Thunderstorms also firing in Danville right now. We've got temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 in Burlington. This is where we have bigger heat concerns. The farther east we go out toward the coast. So Burlington, you're just out of that heat advisory for folks today. That's going until 8 for folks toward the coast. Our flood watch in effect right now as we go all the way through your Friday morning at about 2 a.m. So that's when we're expecting to see the bulk of the rain, certainly from that cold front, and then more rain moving in through the morning hours for the Piedmont Triad and foothills. We could see a few areas added to that flood watch. Dew points right now in the 70s. This is really balmy out there, right? We pump up those dew points. We fuel these thunderstorms too with more moisture. Precipitable water, we're watching for this. As you can see, we go later into this time frame. We're not getting quite as much right overhead as quickly as we would like, at least based on some of those forecast models. It takes some time to get here overnight, but it does look scattered in nature, and that front could dry us out as it comes in quickly. Now, heat risk for you today, highest out east from Burlington and points around Winston-Salem and Greensboro. That's where we have that moderate to major risk. We also have wind gust speeds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles an hour. Highs today in the 90s, feeling like the mid and upper 90s. We've got an impact for you throughout the afternoon, continue through the early morning hours, and in the mountains, temperatures in the 80s. So that flood watch in effect, as we mentioned, until about 2 a.m. for most folks up in the high country. Added now Ashe as well as areas of Allegheny County and going into Carroll County, Virginia. So rainfall potential does look like as we get you through Saturday at 9 a.m. we may, or 9 p.m., we could see some heavy downpours. We're going to have much more for you. Talk about your severe thunderstorm risk for today, as well as what's happening on Juneteenth. It looks better for you, though. 7-day forecast stretches out with 90s on Sunday, and Father's Day is dry but steamy. We'll talk more about rain chances next week.